Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can install mods in Anno 1800. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started straight away. What you'll need to do is open your file explorer and go to the documents right here, and you'll find Anno 1800. Click on that one, and what you'll need to do is create right here a new folder called mods. And now if you go inside right here, you will need to place your mod straight away. Don't place a zip file or WinRAR file because it won't work, so make sure it is straight mod. So as you can see, I did a mistake. That's not plain mod, that's just a folder. So what I will need to do is open this folder and put this warehouse loading ramps. As you can see, my mod is installed, and when you play a game or load a game, the game will ask you if you want to add this mod. So that's pretty much it. That's how you load mods in simple way in Anno 1800. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.